Welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use the macro enabled file that is downloaded from internet. Because in most of the case, the macro enabled Excel file that you download from internet location is inside a compressed zipped folder. And when you open the file, you will get a message that is Microsoft has blocked macro from running because the source of this file is untrusted. First of all, let me download a macro enabled Excel file by going to this website, and here I will download this inventory management template. I will save this in my desktop, and here you see when I downloaded this Excel workbook, it is inside a compressed folder. First of all, we need to extract or unzip the compressed folder. For this, right click on the folder, click on extract all, click on extract. Now the folder is extracted. Here you see this is the extracted folder. Now double click to open it, and here the macro enabled inventory management template is given. Now let me open this template, and when I open this, here you see this file is in protected view. Click on enable editing. Now here I'll get this message Microsoft has blocked macro from running because the source of this file is untrusted. So first of all, we need to unblock the macro before using this file. For this, close the workbook, then right click on the file, click on properties, and here you have to unblock this. So select this unblock option, click on apply, click OK. Now after unblocking, you can open this Excel workbook. Then here simply click on the enable content. Now you will be able to use this macro enabled Excel file. So these are the two things we have to do before using a macro enabled Excel workbook that is downloaded from the internet. But before unblocking the macro enabled file, you have to check the trustworthiness of the site from which you have downloaded the file, because sometimes the macro enabled Excel file may contain virus. So the trustworthiness of the site should be considered while doing this. And this was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.